If you like Monkey Farm, tap like, subscribe, and share so we can play together every day. Today, I'm gonna build a super beautiful veggie garden.
Flatten this spot, then plant carrots, lettuce, bell peppers. Oh, it's gonna be delicious!
Leveling ground is a job for Monkey! Huh? Weird? That sounded weird. Oh my! The ground disappeared? Must stop and check first. Safety first. Did I just dig up a treasure chest? Hello, Bunny, Duckling.
There's a mysterious cave here. Bring the tractor and lights.
Farm rescue team is here. Beep, beep, beep. Make way. It's pitch black. Can't see a thing. What if there's a mud monster down there?
We won't know until we shine a light, but we must be careful. Engineer Bunny's super light system. Active.
Treasure, I just want one candy, please. Look, I see something round. Not bombs. It's a sleeping baby hedgehog. Oh,
it's a whole hedgehog family.
We made noise, but they're still sleeping soundly.
I almost dug up their home. If I keep leveling here, the hedgehog house will collapse.
Can we move the veggie rows somewhere else?
I agree. Keep away from the hedgehog home. No wheels allowed near it.
Boss Monkey, I'll stand guard at this edge.
Reinforcing the walls so rain won't collapse their roof.
Garden detour path complete.
And the hedgehog house is 100% safe. Done. Now everyone passing by will know this is hedgehog territory.
No cars allowed in this safety zone. Vegetable garden is still a go.
And hedgehog home is safe and sound. Truly a perfect mission.
See? He's thanking us.
No words needed. A paw wave says it all.
Sleep tight, new neighbor.
When you see something unusual, what do?
Stop the vehicle, check carefully, and remember to always protect animal homes, okay?
Time to water the veggie garden. Let's make the leaves super green today. Watering each row one by one. Every row must be evenly moist. Start with row 1, then row 2. Water to the left, water to the right. Veggies grow strong, everyone's delight.
Huh? Why is this spot drying up so fast? Strange. Oh, where did all the water go?
The little veggies here are always wilted, no matter how much I water.
Monkey, why the serious face?
Is something wrong with the garden? There's a strange dry patch. It stays dry no matter what.
Maybe these plants are just too lazy to drink.
Or maybe the sun is hotter right here.
Wait, don't blame them yet. We need to find the real cause.
I'll water again, but this time we watch exactly where the water goes. The truck is our experiment tool.
Water experiment, yeah!
Investigating like detectives.
Huh, the water disappeared. Like there's a pipe sucking it in.
If there's an old broken pipe down there, the water might be draining into it.
That sounds logical.
So, we gotta dig and see.
Calling the excavator team for emergency check. Hello, mini excavator. To the veggie garden immediately.
To protect the plants, I'll dig a small trench next to the dry strip, not touching the roots, just peeking underground.
Right, checking, not destroying the garden. Whoa! There really is a pipe! Must be an old pipe from long ago.
Here it is. The pipe is cracked. Water from the old system runs underground, keeping the surface dry.
So it wasn't the little plant's fault.
And not the sun's fault, just an old pipe.
See, finding the cause before blaming is super important.
Step 1,
Close the water valve so no more water flows.
Step 2, remove the broken part.
Step 3, install new pipe, seal the leak.
Valve turning to off.
Gentle now, don't crack it more. The pipe is old, weaker than me.
Hope no more leaks.
Great! It's sealed. Now let's fill the soil back in.
Look! The water stays this time.
At first, we almost blamed the plants or the sun.
But by observing, testing with the truck, and
Checking, we found the real cause was a leak.
Yay! The garden is happy again. We fixed it, Monkey.
teamwork makes the garden green.
That reminds me. What about the rest of our lovely garden? Let's give the whole garden a checkup.
Hooray, Garden Patrol!
Leading the way, Monkey. Look, Monkey, over there.
Those pretty flowers look sleepy.
The soil feels quite dry here. Maybe the sun is extra strong on these little flowers? The sun drinks all their water up. No sneak pipe leak here. It's just thirsty. Oh, a normal thirsty. Drink up, little flowers.
Just a nice, cool drink for them.
Wow, they perked right up, like magic water. See?
Not every problem is a big mystery. Sometimes plants just need a simple drink.
Observe, then decide. We did a great job. The flowers are so happy now. Yay! Mission accomplished for these blooms. What's next, team leader?
Let's check on the berry bushes this time. Map says Sector 3.
Berry bushes. I hope they're juicy.
To the berry patch.
Smooth sailing to Sector 3.
Hello, healthy carrots.
Keep growing strong, tomatoes.
Whoa, hold on. What's wrong with those berries? They look squishy.
This soil is really, really wet.
Like a muddy puddle. Splashy, splashy.
Too much water can be a problem too. Where is it all coming from?
Is there a tiny water hose stuck open?
Or a hidden rain cloud?
Look, over here.
Oh, it's a little drain.
And it looks quite blocked.
Aha! The drain is completely clogged. That's why the water can't get out.
So it's not a leaky pipe, it's a stuck pipe. We found the soggy secret.
Time for some gentle digging. This shovel is perfect for clearing clogs.
Our clearing out tool.
Let's unclog it.
Here it goes. All the excess water is draining away. Hooray for proper drainage. Bye-bye, mud.
Perfect. The water flows freely now.
Hooray for clear drains. The leaves are still a little dark. They'll need some time to dry out and feel better.
Just like us, plants need a little rest after a big change.
We'll come back and check on them later. Shovel stored, problem solved. Now, where to next on our watering tour? Ready for more green adventures. Let's water more happy plants. Next stop, the sunflower patch. Wow, look at these tall, sunny friends. They need a big drink.
Time to give these beauties a refreshing shower.
We'll help too. Wow, farm summer camp. I wonder what we'll play first. I heard there's planting, watering, and even warehouse organizing. Welcome to the farm summer camp bus. Today, we will turn this trailer into our summer camp bus. Decorate it just like a school bus? Exactly, but we need teamwork. It looks just like a real bus.
Teamwork level 100 points.
Awesome. Now the bus will take us to each activity station. Rule 1, sit still, no jumping around. Rule 2, listen to the driver and guides. Summer camp bus, rolling along.
Working together, singing a song.
Summer camp bus, rolling along.
We're at the planting station.
Team, let's get off safely.
Dig a hole, place the seedling gently, then pat it down. Everyone follow the steps.
What if I forget a step?
Teamwork means reminding each other.
Look how much we've dug already. We're doing great.
Yeah, these seeds are gonna love it here.
My tree disappeared.
Because the hole is too deep. Team, let's fix it together. See, doing it alone is hard, but doing it together is super fast.
Teamwork saved my tree. Next station involves watering the big field.
Watering is my specialty.
Mission! Water every row evenly. Don't miss any spot.
Remember to line up for cans. No pushing.
This team stands in a line, I pour, pass the can down. After watering one row, pass the empty can back. It's fast and no confusion.
Oh, like passing water balloons.
Fast watering finishes sooner.
Water in my face!
Duckling, remember the rules for joining activities.
Must listen to instructions and work with the team.
Right. If everyone... watered evenly. No flooding, no dry spots. Perfect.
Thanks to listening and staying in line.
Last station, organize the warehouse.
This place is a mess.
Remember, focus on your assigned task. No one does it all alone.
I'll label with lamb. I'll stack gently.
We're not truly teamworking yet. Now, let's go one way. This lane for bringing in, that lane for going out. Take turns.
Look at the warehouse. Totally different from before.
Teamwork plus instructions, superpower.
All right, smile.
3, 2, 1, cheese.
Today, we planted, watered, and organized. What helped us do so many things?
Teamwork and listening to instructions.